fun. It's coming in.
Hello everyone, Michael here, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, I'm reviewing...
Hey!
Oh, Maria, I didn't see you there.
What are you doing here? I make the video here.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Well guys, as it so happens, I'm not going to be reviewing this set today. My sister Maria over here is actually going to be doing it, so I'm leaving it with you, Maria, okay?
Yes. Hello guys, today we have a brand new video, and today I'm reviewing this set. Let's get straight into it. This vehicle over here is the guy's vehicle. Is a dump on the front of it. It's for agent for the made accident feature. Put this bunch of this pieces in the bump pads.
The dumb thing.
That's the made in axle feature. Yeah. And this is a locate. Doesn't have a steering wheel you see over now. And right here we got a new piece for 2021. And over here we have a little snow piece. You can see over now, right over there. You can see it. Let's move on to the other stuff. Let's move it like that for a sec. It's a wheelbarrow where it has one wheel over there. You can see. Yes. Only one can fit. You can see it. It can actually get the piece through. Can actually see. Move on to other. Or you have a construction site to indicate do not mini fingers so they will not go on this point. Those are cones. I don't know what they're used for. So we actually can make Sanky nose of those. You see? Just gonna snap them like this. And ta-da! You see this over here? Is a cool stuff. And this guy over here is a person who actually builds stuff like chairs or other stuff. Yes, he builds loads. As you can see over there. Yes, he has a side to do some digging over there. And those his code over there. Those his pants over there. You can see. He has no alternate face. No, he has a hard hat to keep him safe. Good minifigure. That was today for this video. I hope did you enjoy it. And see you guys next time. Bye.
So that was it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. Please let me know if you want more of my sister making videos. Maria, come on up here. Oh, I think the camera's a bit too high for everyone to see you. Say hello, Maria.
Hello. Again.
Now, just because of protection reasons, I cannot show her face. But her face was only shown in the Calvert video because, well, she had a mask. But I have to cover her face now just for, well, security reasons. But thank you for making the video today, Maria. Why don't you say bye to the lovely viewer?
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.